I've got the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra right here. And today I want to show you how to uninstall the Facebook application and its 3 background service applications on the Galaxy S21, the Galaxy S21 Plus, and the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now we're going to be uninstalling this with ADB. It's going to be a simple command prompt tool that we use. So we're going to need to connect the phone to the PC with a USB cable. But this does not require root access, and it does not trip Samsung security platform Knox. If you've just done a quick look through the application icons that are actually installed on your device by default, you may not even see a Facebook application at all. However, if we pull up the settings application, scroll down and then tap on the apps option, and then make sure that we have the show system apps toggle enabled, then we can actually search for Facebook, the term, and you may, at least it is on my Exynos Galaxy S21 Ultra, see 3 separate Facebook applications. Now you can dive into the application settings page of these individual apps and disable them if you want. However, I'm going to show you how to uninstall them from the default user account with ADB. So if you have not done so already, you're going to need to enable the developer mode menu. We can find that hidden developer options menu down at the bottom of the settings page. If you have not already done this or are not familiar with that, be sure to check the video description, as I'll be linking to a tutorial that shows how to do that. Because we need to go in here and enable the USB debugging mode option. With that done, we can then connect our PC to the Samsung Galaxy S21 with a USB cable. And then we're going to start the ADB service on our computer so that we can see the USB debugging mode access prompt on the Galaxy S21. So now we have the Galaxy S21 connected to the PC with a USB cable. If you want, you can run the ADB devices command to make sure that you see a device recognized by the ADB tool. And then we need to go into an ADB prompt, an ADB shell prompt, by typing out ADB space shell and pressing enter. That should bring you into this additional prompt right here down at the bottom. It'll look a little different than what we were just at. And then here we're going to type out the command pm space uninstall space -k space -- user space 0 space, and then the package name of the Facebook application that you want to uninstall. And with the Facebook app installer application, the package name is com.facebook.system. So that whole command is pm space uninstall space -k space -- user space 0 space com.facebook.system. With all of that typed out, we just press enter on the keyboard and look for that success message after it. So once again, we're going to repeat that. We're in that same prompt. We type out that pm uninstall command, except this time we're going to use the different package name for the Facebook App Manager app. And that package name is com.facebook.appmanager. So with that typed out, again, we just press enter on the keyboard. So I just wanted to bring you into the app page before we execute that last pm uninstall command. Again, it's all typed out: pm uninstall, the -k, the -- user, and this last one, the package name. And I'll be including these package names for all three of these in the video description, so it'll be easier for you to copy and paste. For the Facebook Services app, the package name is com.facebook.services. So once we press enter on the keyboard and we get that success message, if you're looking at this specific page right here, you'll likely see that text pop up at the bottom right telling you that it is not installed. Just know that whenever you try to search for Facebook after you have executed those 3 commands from ADB, you're not going to see those applications anymore because they are actually uninstalled from your current user. Now, you may end up needing to go through this process again after you uninstall an over-the-air update, if that over-the-air update includes changes to those 3 applications. The likelihood of that happening seems rather low. The phone hasn't been out that long, so I can't test if that's going to make it pop back on every single update. But usually, unless there's changes made to those pre-installed applications, then they're not going to be included in the over-the-air update that you get. So that is how to uninstall Facebook application services, the 3 hidden app services on the Samsung Galaxy S21, the Galaxy S21 Plus, and the Galaxy S21 Ultra.